You must stop. Turn back now. Back off, man. Calm down.
If he goes in, it all ends. I said stay away from him. Hey, listen to me. Breathe. You don't understand. The darkness is coming.
What are you talking about? It's a trap. They will hurt him. Peace be with you, my friend. I can't let you go in there. I know what happens next. Don't be afraid. It's not fair. We need to keep moving. The crowd is waiting. Did you hear what he said?
He is just crazy. Forget about it.
I hope you are right. Everything will work out. Have faith.
I can't look at you. I tried to warn him. Why didn't he run away? When we show up, the whole town will cheer for him.
Do you think they are ready for us?
Master, you look like a true king up there. A king does not always ride a horse, Peter.
What do you mean? You deserve the best. Sometimes, the best way is the humblest way. He always speaks in riddles. You'll get used to it. I just want things to go smoothly today. Hold on. We must stop right here.
Stop? Why? We are almost there.
Whoa, boy. Easy now. This is far enough. Dust everywhere. What is going on? I have no idea. Did the horse get hurt? Master, why are you getting off?
My time on this horse is over.
If we walk from here, it will take too long. We are not walking, Peter. Look over there.
Look at what? The old fence?
No! Look at that man by the trees!
Hello there. Are you lost? The city is straight ahead.
Peace to you, friend. We are not lost.
Well, it is a hot day for traveling.
I need a favor. I need to borrow your donkey.
My little donkey? Are you sure?
Yes. The Lord needs it right now.
Well, if you really need him, take him.
This doesn't make any sense at all. Why does he want that tiny animal? Master, you can't ride that into the city. People will laugh. Peter, calm down and listen to me. I am not going in as a conqueror with an army. I am going in as a friend. Here is the rope. He is a good boy. Thank you. You can take my horse for now. The big horse? Really? I will take good care of it. I trust you. Blessings to your home. All right, little friend. Let's go. Show me the way. Well, we better catch up with him. Come on. It's gonna be fine. Just keep your eyes open. Stay close to him. No one will bother us today. Trust me. Master, wait up for us. Look at the city gates up ahead.
He is coming! Do you see him, David?
Yes! Look at him go!
Hosanna! Hello, King!
Make way! Please step back, folks. Let them come near, Peter. It is all right. I have never seen anything like this.
They love him. They really love him.
Help me throw this on the road, David, for the donkey to walk on?
Yes, to honor our king. Hosanna! Hosanna! Hosanna!
They welcome me with such love, but they do not know the price.
Look at this mess. It is completely out of control. We must put an end to this foolishness. They treat a peasant like a king. How dare they? Step forward. Show them who is really in charge.
Stop right there. Move out of the way. Who do you think you are talking to?
Teacher, tell your people to shut up. This is a disgrace. You want them to be quiet? Yes. Tell them to go home. They are breaking the law.
I tell you the truth.
If these people keep quiet, even the stones will cry out.
You are arrogant. Let it go for now. The crowd is watching us.
Did you hear that? He told them off.
Let's keep moving. The gate is right there.
Blessed is the king! Welcome! Welcome to the city!
He has gone too far this time. We will figure out a plan tonight.
We finally made it, Master. Yes, Peter, we have arrived. No. He is actually going inside. I have to try again.
Watch where you are going, mister.
Get out of my way, please!
Listen to me. Turn around.
You again. I said back off. They are going to kill you! I must finish what I started.
What did he just say about killing?
The man is sick in the head. Pay no attention.
Come on, let's follow them inside.
Okay, sweetheart, let's go.
The gate is crossed. There is no turning back now.
Look how many people came out today! It looks like a giant party, Mom. Just make sure you stay close to me. Do not run off.
I won't. I want to see the little donkey again.
This turned out better than I expected.
Everyone is so happy to see him. Still, watch out. Don't let the crowd push you away. I am right behind you. Don't worry. Master, just listen to them. They truly love you.
Love can change quickly, Peter.
What do you mean? They are throwing their coats for you. Today they cheer. Tomorrow, they might not.
He acts like he owns the city. We need to figure out a way to stop him. But how? The crowd will riot if we touch him. Then we must do it when the crowd is not around.
Please. You have to listen to me. Sir, you need to go home and rest. A dark storm is coming. I can feel it. The sky is clear. There is no storm today. You don't see it. Nobody sees it. I give up. I can't save him.
All right, the parade is moving on. Time to go back.
My feet hurt, Mom. Carry me?
Come here, my little king. Let's wrap it up.
That was the best day ever.
The sun is going down fast. What a long day. Yeah, everyone is finally going home. It got cold suddenly. Let's find a place to rest. Did you hear that? The streets are so quiet now.
Look at this old wall. What is that mark on it? It just looks like old red paint. Come on.
You are right. My eyes are playing tricks on me. Let's go find the master. We need food.
They all went away so fast.
The cheering stopped. A mark on the stone. Just a mark. But it feels so cold. I tried to stop him. I really did. May God help us all. The day of glory is over. Now, the shadow falls. Master, we saved a place for you.
I am coming, Peter!
It was a beautiful day, wasn't it? The best day of our lives. We must put an end to this. Soon. Very soon. The darkness is here. God be with him. We will follow you wherever you go. Thank you. Stay strong. Master, it is time to rest. I will rest soon, John. Very soon.
I will make sure the donkey is returned, Master.
Thank you, Peter. You are a good friend. Here you go. Eat up. Thanks, Peter. You always take care of us. Good bread. Why are you so quiet? I am just thinking about tomorrow. Tomorrow will be another great day. You will see. I hope you are right, Peter.
Sleep tight, little one. We are almost home. A king came to town today.
It must be done tonight. We cannot wait until morning, or we risk losing everything. We cannot speak long. Caiaphas, the Nazarene, divides the council. He must be dealt with tonight. We cannot wait any longer. It must be done tonight. And if word of this reaches Pilate, it won't. I've ensured their silence.
Very well.
I will make sure the donkey is returned, Master.
Thank you, Peter. You are a good friend. I will always stand by you, no matter what. I know you mean that right now. The stars are coming out. It is beautiful. Yeah. Let's just get some sleep.
1,000 miles left of these desert stones. Desert stones.
We strike when he is alone. Agreed. No witnesses.
Hosanna! Hosanna!
Welcome, King.
The cheers fade so quickly. Silence is always louder. All right. Wake me if you need anything. Rest well, my friend. The spirit is willing, but the flesh is weak.
Is everything prepared? Yes. We are just waiting for the right moment.
We'll keep sharing simple and meaningful stories to help you learn English, Bible step by step. Like and subscribe and see you next time.